Hey there! Today we're diving into a concept you hear all the time but might not fully get: the cloud. Yep, that mysterious cloud isn't in the sky. It's a network of servers that store data and run services through the internet. Let's make sense of it all. Think of the cloud like a virtual toolbox. Instead of saving all your files and apps on your personal computer or a company server in the back room, you store them in a secure, always available toolbox online. You can access it from anywhere: your phone, laptop, tablet, you name it. Companies use it to store data, run applications, and even host entire websites or services. Now, let's break it down into three types: public, private, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud is like renting a storage unit. You don't own the building, but you rent space from a company like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. It's cost-effective, scalable, and easy to use, great for startups and individuals. But remember, since you're sharing that space with others, it's less customizable and might have some security concerns depending on what you're storing. Private cloud, on the other hand, is like owning your own warehouse. You control everything: security, infrastructure, and who gets access. It's typically used by larger companies with strict data regulations. It offers more control and security, but it's also more expensive and requires more in-house expertise. Then there's the hybrid cloud, the best of both worlds. Imagine having your own warehouse, but also renting a few storage units nearby when you need extra space. This model lets you keep sensitive data in your private cloud while offloading less critical stuff to the public cloud. It gives flexibility, cost savings, and scalability all at once. Why does this matter for cybersecurity? Because how and where you store data impacts how you protect it. Public clouds often come with strong built-in security, but you still need to configure things correctly. Private clouds give you full control, but also full responsibility. And hybrid clouds, they need careful coordination to avoid gaps. So next time you hear the cloud, picture that toolbox in the sky and think about whether it's a shared locker, your personal vault, or a mix of both. Understanding this helps you make smarter decisions, whether you're setting up a business or just curious about how apps like Netflix or Dropbox actually work. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.